calmer. The weekend is going to be really nice, and even early next week will be nice. We'll start to see a warm up next week, and we'll see a taste of some cooler weather this weekend. So we get really a lot to enjoy after coming at a little bit of a cost today with the rain and storms, but those are winding down. There are still some lingering showers across parts of the area, but they're pretty spotty and light, mostly on the south shore, closer to the coast. Also seeing some in northern Lafourche Parish right now. And as we look closer to Slidell, they just got in on some steadier showers. They're quickly racing off to the east, moving into South Mississippi. Also some showers moving right along I-10. So this is what we have right now, just some leftover lingering showers. The severe weather is over and done with, and we'll just see a few more showers lingering into the early overnight hours, and that's it. Temperatures are starting to come down. We're at 66 degrees in New Orleans as a cold front is slowly dropping to the south across our area. You can see now winds coming in mostly from the north and northwest. Dew point still in the 60s. It's still going to feel muggy overnight into early tomorrow, but the humidity will be going down later on your Saturday. All the rain and storms have raced off to the north and east, now pushing over into the southeastern section of our country, moving into Georgia right now and into southern Alabama. So that is moving away from us, and we just have some lingering clouds and the lingering showers we have right now, and that's really it. But the clouds will be staying with us through tomorrow despite the cold front coming in, but the showers will be wrapping up overnight. This is around 11 o'clock midnight tonight, maybe a few more left over. We get into the overnight, they really wind down, and they'll be gone before the sun comes up tomorrow. The front clears the area. Our winds come in from the north and northwest tomorrow. It's going to be a little breezy, and we stay kind of cloudy and dreary tomorrow. There could be some little breaks of sunshine in the afternoon, but overall looking at a pretty cloudy Saturday, but at least we'll have a dry one. So temperatures in the overnight hours staying pretty mild in the 60s getting into early tomorrow morning. We'll probably still see temperatures near 70 degrees on your Saturday, but it's still going to be much cooler than it was today and really the last couple of days. And you'll really notice this cold front later tomorrow as the humidity comes down, and then Sunday, that's truly going to be our cool day. We'll only be in the 60s in the afternoon, and we'll wake up kind of to a chilly start to the day, and Sunday we'll see some sunshine. So overall, the weekend is looking really good, especially if you like that cooler weather and, of course, more comfortable conditions, which who can complain about that? The mugginess will be going down getting into this weekend as this dry air slowly starts to make its way into our region through tomorrow thanks to that front. So it will take some time for that kind of upper level pattern where we see that upper level southwesterly pattern giving us a lot of moisture to kind of sink away from us and give us that drier feel through tomorrow. So it'll take a few hours, might feel a little humid early tomorrow, and then less muggy by tomorrow night, and certainly a lot less humid by Sunday. And then we get into the new week staying mostly dry in terms of our mugginess factor, and then it starts to really ramp up later next week, moisture surging back in by the second half of next week. So we have many really nice days to get out and enjoy. This weekend looking good. Temperatures cooling down into the 60s for our daytime highs Sunday and Monday. And then we gradually warm up next week. We get back to the 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday, and then probably upper 70s, lower 80s by Thursday and even into Friday. And as that moisture surges back in, it's going to start to feel more muggy by the second half of next week. But before we get to that really kind of more of that pleasant feel will be settling in thanks to that cold front through this weekend. So like I said, tomorrow might wake up to kind of a humid start to the day. That will be decreasing, and it's really going to be nice outside. Sunday and Monday, very just comfortable, no complaints with the weather. Tuesday still feeling good even into Wednesday, but the mugginess does creep back in starting later Wednesday, especially into Thursday and Friday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Beautiful weather the next several days. Our next chance of rain and storms moving in by Thursday into Friday. So really looking fantastic. I'm looking forward to this week.
All right.